Getting more subscribers feels impossible, right? You post videos, but nothing happens. Well, there's one simple trick that almost every new YouTuber ignores. No, it's not post consistently or better thumbnails. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use this simple trick to start gaining subscribers instantly. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Abraham and I help creators like you grow on YouTube smarter and faster. If that sounds good, hit on the subscribe button, but only if you find this video valuable. Now, let's get in. Alright, here's the one trick that almost no one is talking about. It's called the subscriber loop. Most new YouTubers make one big mistake. They ask people to subscribe at the end of a video. But by then, most viewers are already gone. Instead, you need to create a loop. Yes, how? Ask for a micro commitment early in the video. Then remind them why they should watch the video till the end. Then right before you reveal something valuable, ask again. Let me show you how this works. Imagine I say, later in this video, I'll reveal a powerful trick that made my last video blow up. But first, if you want to grow your subscribers fast, you need to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. You see what I did? I created curiosity while subtly asking you to subscribe. This works because of something called the Zeigarnik effect. Our brains hate unfinished stories. When you create a loop, people are more likely to stay and subscribe because they want to complete the thought. And the best part, if they stay longer, YouTube pushes your video to more people. So not only do you get more subscribers, but you get more views. That's how small channels grow fast. Now I challenge you. Try this in your next video and let's see what happens. If this trick was really helpful, kindly tap the like button. It really helps this video reach more people. Also, comment if you are going to use this strategy. Let's grow together. Oh, if you want real fast YouTube hacks, check out my next video. Until then, goodbye.